Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria, and let's have this topic. Solving equations transformable to quadratic equations. Then we have this given, so transform each of the following equations to a quadratic equation. So for this given, so first, we need to simplify this equation using cross multiplications. So we have 2x squared times 4, 2x squared times 4, then plus this 5 times 5x, so 5 times 5x, then over this 5 times 4, so 5 times 4, then equals 10. Then simplify, so this 2x squared times 4, this one is 8x squared, then plus, so this 5 times 5x, that's 25x, then over this 5 times 4, this one is 20, then equals 10. Then to simplify, so we just need to put denominator 1 for this 10, then using cross multiplication, so this 8x squared plus 25x times 1, so we have this 8x squared plus 25x, then equals this 20 times 10, so 20 times 10. Then we have now 8x squared plus 25x, then equals, so this 20 times 10, this one is 200. Then to write this one in a standard form of a quadratic equation, so that's ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have now 8x squared plus 25x. So we need to transpose this positive 200. So this becomes negative 200, then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. Then for this given, so again, we need to simplify this one first. So using cross multiplication, so this 2 times 2, so we have 2 times 2, then minus x times 3x, so x times 3x, then over x times 2, so x times 2, then equals positive 7. Then simplify, so this one is 4, then minus, so x times 3x, this one is 3x squared, then over x times 2, this one is 2x, then equals 7. Then we need to put a denominator 1 for 7, then cross multiply. So 4 minus 3x squared times 1, that's 4 minus 3x squared. Then equals, so this 2x times 7, so 2x times 7, this one is 14x. Then arrange this equation, so starts with the highest exponent. So we have this negative 3x squared. Then we need to transpose this positive 14x, so this becomes negative 14x, then plus 4 equals 0. Then since the first term is negative, so we need to multiply this whole equation by negative 1. So therefore, this negative 3x squared becomes positive 3x squared. This negative 14x becomes positive 14x, and this positive 4 becomes negative 4, then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. Then for this given, so again, we need to simplify this one first. So using cross multiplication, so multiply this x plus 2 times 4. So x plus 2 times 4. Then minus this 2x times x plus 1. So 2x times x plus 1. Then over this 2x times 4. So 2x times 4. Then equals this negative 1 over 2. Then simplify. So this x times 4. This one is 4x. And 2 times 4. That's positive 8. Then this negative 2x times x. That's negative 2x squared. And negative 2x times 1. That's negative 2x. Then over this 2x times 4. This one is 8x. Then equals negative 1 over 2. Then combine like terms, so we can arrange this equation. Starts from the highest exponent, so we have this negative 2x squared, this positive 4x minus 2x, so 4 minus 2, this one is positive 2x, then plus 8 over 8x equals negative 1 over 2. Then apply cross multiplication. So multiply this negative 2x squared plus 2x plus 8 times 2. So we have this 2 times negative 2x squared times 2x plus 8. Then equals this 8x times negative 1. So negative 1 times 8x. Then simplify. So this 2 times negative 2. That's negative 4x squared. 2 times 2x. This one is positive 4x. 2 times 8. This one is positive 16. Then equals. This one is negative 8x. Then write this one in a standard form. So equate this one to 0. So we have negative 4x squared plus 4x plus 16. Then we need to transpose this negative 8x. So this becomes positive 8x. Then equals 0. Then we need to combine like terms. So we have this negative 4x squared, this positive 4x, and positive 8x. That's positive 12x. Then plus 16 equals 0. Then since the first term is negative, so we need to multiply all this equation by negative 1. So this negative 4x squared becomes positive 4x squared. This positive 12x becomes negative 12x. This positive 16 becomes negative 16, then equals 0. So this is now the quadratic equation.